In this video, I'll show you how to sell a course on Whop. Start by signing into your Whop account and open the Whop where you want to sell your course. Next, make sure you've connected your payment account so you can accept payments from customers. After that, click Add App and select Courses from the list of available apps. Now create your course by entering a course title, description, and cover image. Next, add your course content by creating modules and lessons. Upload your videos, PDFs, downloadable files, or other learning materials, then organize them in the order you want students to complete them. After that, return to your Whop dashboard and click Pricing or Access to create your offer. Choose whether you want to charge a one-time payment or a recurring subscription, then enter your price. Now review your storefront and make sure your course, pricing, and access settings are configured correctly. Next, click Publish to make your course available for purchase. Finally, copy your Whop store link and share it with your audience so customers can purchase the course and gain access automatically. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sell a course on Whop. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.